Here is how to import MKV in Premiere Pro. So importing MKV videos slash files is very easy and simple. You just have to follow this simple step and you will import it easily. So when we import an MKV video, what happens? So let's see if I import it. So it gives me this error. It says file format not supported. So how do we get it to working? So first of all, go to your web browser and you have to download Xmedia encode recode, yeah, Xmedia recode, this one. You have to download it for your compatible bit. So if you have a 64-bit, just download it. Just click here. I already have it downloaded and installed, but when you download and install it, just go over there, open it up, and it will have a interface like this. So just drag in and drop your video, your MKV file over there. So I'm gonna drag it. So the video is here. Just tap on it, select it, and do these settings. Make sure the format is on MP4 and the file extension is on MP4, and the output streams type is video and audio. Go to video and make sure you do the mod to copy and do the same for audio. So when you do this, just go back and click on add to queue, or wait, you have to, like, you can browse your, like, your place where do you want to copy, or you set its destination. So I'm just gonna put its destination over here, and I'm gonna click add to queue, and I'm gonna click encode. When I do this, it's gonna encode and it will say the media file was successful. So click OK, minimize, and let's check our video if it was encoded or not. So we got two videos. Let's check both of them. This isn't the one. This might be the one. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I imported an MKV video in front of you all. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can import MKV files slash videos in Premiere Pro. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.